right here. And I'm rapping off, you know what you just heard. So, yeah, just tell me what you think. Comment what you think. I don't care. You know, if I'm bad, I just gotta practice. That's all to it. Just say some things. Whatever you say might just influence me to get better and better. I seen motherfuckers get rich off this shit. I'm gonna do this. What's up? Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Ready to break a nigga up into pieces like Legos. I'm blazing hot fuego. My flow is cold as an angel. Got more gold than a rainbow. Niggas can't get up with my halo. I drink holy water, but I stay with a Bible. So I'm Bible encrypted. I'm all about my gold like Egyptian. Money my description. I'm excited and tipping. Proclaim what I'm tipping. These guns what I'm gripping. You niggas aren't flipping. But yes. My flow so icy like I just won a lotto. Drinking on that bottle. Call that Moscato and I got bitches posting on my bed like models saying nigga. Fuck with me, nigga, I'm fucking going crazy, don't bone like an L. Okay, I got the fucking guns ready to fucking hit and kill, ready for the tail. What goes around comes around. Fuck with me, nigga, go ahead, get the bullet that will put a nigga in the ground. Fucking kill. If I'm gonna go crazy, put a nigga on the scale.